Customer brought in a Galaxy S10 Plus, so we're going to get that fixed up today. First, you start off with taking out the SIM card. We're heating the back up, peeling it with a guitar pick, and take out all these screws around the outside. There's a lot of screws. Popping off this little plastic part, second plastic part. Make sure you unconnect the battery. Put some isopropyl alcohol to take it out. Take the screws out and you should be able to pop up the motherboard, the vibration motor, and the earpiece. Pop it in the new one. And you just reattach all the screws, battery, plastic parts, and reattach all these screws. There's a lot of them. And after you get all that done, just make sure you add the glue to the outside. Put the back on, clamp her down, and you are good to go.